Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you an amazing trick to close your application when it hangs. Normally when the application freezes, we close it with the end task, and it's pretty long step. For instance, my Chrome has been hanged and there is no way to close, so we go right click task manager and we have to close the application from the task manager. So this is a long step, and I will be showing you a very effective and efficient way to close this Google Chrome. Go to settings, system, and for developers option here, and just enable end task option. This option is only available for Windows 11 users only, and it's not available for Windows 10. So now when I will be right clicking on the taskbar, you will see the end task option is available, and I will press end task and the application will be closing successfully. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share, subscribe my channel.